Bosnia and Herzegovina is still recovering from a brutal war fought in the 1990s and remains one of the poorest countries in Europe. Islamic Relief has been working in Bosnia since 1992, supporting survivors, returnees, and other vulnerable people through several projects, including orphan sponsorship, support for women and girls impacted by gender-based violence, and livelihoods programs.
But generally, focus of Islamic Relief currently is income generation projects. We are trying to support people. One of the biggest challenge for us is very high unemployment rate. What is the reason why people, especially youth, leaving the country? We are trying now to provide people with regular income.
Our livelihoods projects empower vulnerable people to become self-sufficient again through providing livestock, seeds, and equipment such as greenhouses, as well as training. We support the communities we serve to grow their own produce and boost their income.
Pa zahvalio bi se Islamiku jer stvarno pomažu našem narodu ovdje. Ima i komšija, neko stočarstvo, krava, evo vidi se sušare, plastenice. Nije samo jedna porodica da ima korist, odakle ima čitav lanac.
Islamic Relief provided Ismet with a greenhouse where he now grows fruit and vegetables for his family, occasionally selling his produce for extra income.
Pa značilo mi je mnogo jer nisam baš mogao financijski da izmognem na sve strane pa da bi se plastenik kupio svojih sredstava. To mi je dosta pomoglo, imao sam želju da imam plastenik. Jer vani sve što posljedno paradajz, papriku, to već teško uspijeva ovdje. Velika nadmorska visina. Imam crvenu papriku, paradajz, krastavac i žutu papriku.
Islamic Relief also distributes Ramadan food packs and Qurbani meat packages to Bosnian families. In winter, we provide blankets, clothing, and heating materials to help families survive the harsh winter months. Our orphan sponsorship program supports over 1,400 children in Bosnia with a monthly stipend to cover schooling and health costs. Many of the children we've supported over the years have gone on to study and secure stable jobs.
Meni što je specifično da isto jedan dječak koji je ovdje prošao kroz Islamic Relief uz pomoć orphan sponsorshipa je završio osnovnu školu, srednju školu, studij vazduhoplovstva u Turskoj i sad je na specijalizaciji i radi za Oružane snage Bosne i Hercegovine. A isto tako imamo i djece, mislim da su svi oni uspješni. Rade na različitim pozicijama, neki su u bankama, neki su automehančari, neki su frizeri, neki su bankari. To je, znači, prvo je orphan sponsorship, to sponzorstvo, a kroz druge razne projekte pomažemo, znači, da osim tog sponzorshipa da izgradimo, mislimo na mentalno zdravlje ljudi, radimo, pomažemo da žene budu osamostaljene.
Visit our website to learn more about the Srebrenica genocide and how Islamic Relief continues to change lives in Bosnia today.